Oh, you cover so the pen will not be dry.
7 plus 5?
Oh,
Is that
check.
red? Is that red? Can I use that?
Oh, later you count first. Oh, I have 7.
Plus 5.
Plus 5. Oh, how much?
Equals 1, 2,
Count first from your finger.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
Oh, you write your
12,
answer.
12, 12. This one. And I have this one. Pick the 2.
Oh. What? Mm.
It looked like a
Oh,
dog.
close na. Close na.
8 plus 3
Where is your 3?
equals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11.
Oh.
11. This one. Oops. Sorry. Wrong.
So. Very good. Taliin mo magsulat. Mapuputas yung whiteboard. Enough na. Oh, I will erase so you can write properly.
Can you help me?
I will help you. You know how to write. Oh, another one. Oh, very good. Oh, cover the pen. Check, huh?